Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion quickly. Let's dive right in. Notion uses a versatile block-based editor, allowing you to build almost anything. Start by exploring the many pre-built templates available. They are fantastic for setting up common pages like task lists or notes in just a few seconds. Mastering keyboard shortcuts will significantly speed up your workflow, letting you navigate and edit with impressive efficiency. This foundational understanding will set you up for success. Once you grasp the basics, focus on structuring your workspace. Databases are powerful tools for organizing tasks, projects, and any information you need to track. You can link these databases and pages together, creating a truly interconnected system that reflects your workflow. Visually organize your content using toggle lists to hide details and clear headings to break up sections. This approach keeps your workspace tidy and easy to navigate, even as it grows. Notion offers excellent features to boost your productivity. Consider automating repetitive tasks by integrating with other tools, saving you valuable time. For teamwork, share pages with colleagues and set specific permissions, ensuring everyone has the right access. Within your databases, utilize status properties to clearly track the progress of your projects, from not started to completed. These features help streamline your work and enhance collaboration effortlessly. To truly master Notion, embrace some advanced tips. Slash commands are incredibly powerful for quickly adding blocks and formatting text. They are a huge time saver. Customize your database views to display information precisely how you need it, whether it's a board, calendar, or gallery. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review and refine your workspace. This ensures it remains efficient and perfectly tailored to your evolving needs, keeping you productive.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.